YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? And I am here with a scrapbook layout. I was with all this stuff. I was using some of my Creative Memories projects to make a layout. And since this is the month of November, it's the month of gratitude. A lot of people do 30 days of like journaling or whatever for the month of November. I saw a video by Lauren of Create Some Joy, and I'll link her video below because it's totally inspired by her, where she completed a layout using our Croptoberfest paper, and I will show you the paper. I did well, all my papers left is gone. The only thing I had left is this beautiful sunflower paper, and so I only have 2 sheets left, these two, and I have these 2 mats, laser mats, that was in the collection. And you see I used this one right here. Both of them have double-sided. You can use it on either side. And then I use a Croptoberfest sampler pack, which is the papers that coordinate with that. And I use the burnt orange and the hot fudge cardstock out of here. I use some of my dies. It's a Tonic Studio number set, and this is the alphabet set by oh my gosh, I just forgot, CB Cuttaby. And then I do have some embellishments that I may add on to it that I haven't stuck up there yet, but I may do that. I use this tag punch, this sunflower border punch, this spring leaf, and this flag banner punch. It's just some of my decorative toppers. And so what Lauren did was she just did a layout with tags on it so that you can journal each day for 30 days, something that you were thankful for. And she titled hers November, yes. And I just made mine a little different. I just titled it Thanks. And that's what those alphabets come in there. And I used the laser cut and just put some of my punches under there just to add a little bit more dimension to it, to make it a little bit more personalized, to give it a little bit more pop of color. And I printed this out on some cardstock from a printer. It says, "In everything give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus concerning you." 1 Thessalonians 5:18. And gratitude makes everything turn into a gift, So that is the layout, the beginning layout. And then here's the tags where each day you can write just something that you're thankful for, so it's just plenty of journaling space. So it's 30 days. So this is 1 through 5 on the top, 6 through 10. And I just alternated by putting pieces at the bottom, strips at the top, the border punches, the leaf punches, and just different things like that. And I used the numbers from the Tonic Studio to go along with it. I took a strip of the sunflower paper and just put 3 edges around it to make a frame on both pages, so it looks like a little border. And again, just continue just putting different toppers and edges on it. Again, I might put some more stickers on it once I write and fill in these spaces. I'll probably put some more bling on it with the other stickers and stuff I have, or some other punches. But I wanted to have the ample space first to write, because I don't know what I'm going to write on each one of these. And so, yeah. And so that is the last page. So again, I will link her video, who I was totally inspired by to do this. But that's just another way I started doing scrapbooking. On your 12 by 12, you can do journaling. And you can make this as your November gratitude journal. You can use it in your book album. Again, you could cut this up as well and put it into a journal, make it smaller if you like. There's different size scrapbooks, different size journals, but this is just a way to do it. You could use tags as your means to write down your thankfulness, your gratitude. So yeah. So anyway, that is what I have for today. So I appreciate you liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.